Are you busy and short on time? If you want a blender that does it all, including silky smoothies, hot soups, and homemade nut milks in minutes, meet the Vitamix X5. I'm Tara Shawn, founder of Blender Babes. I help women 30 to 70 plus nourish their bodies without restriction. Think gut-loving blends that support hormones and energy. And today I'm going to demonstrate a dip that I found online, and I want to make it dairy-free. But first, I want to tell you a little bit about the top of the line Vitamix Ascent series, and specifically the X5. Now, the Vitamix Ascent series are smart system blenders, which means that they work with the Vitamix food processor attachment and really any new products that Vitamix comes out with. Now, all models have at least 3 of the highly desired pre-programmed automatic settings, but with the X5, you actually get 10 programs, which include smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, frozen cocktails, dips and spreads, smoothie bowls, frappes, nut butters, spice grinding, and non-dairy milks. Plus, there's also a self-cleaning cycle. So if you love manual control, you know, the 10 speeds might feel a little extra, but they're definitely nice to have. And of course, you can use the 10 manual speeds as well. Now, all X series models come with the 48-ounce container. This is perfect for small and medium-sized blends. They're great for solo sips or, family snacks. They also include a digital timer, which I love, but the X5 also has an add 15 button, and that adds 15 seconds, which is kind of nice to have if you have like a highly fibrous blend and you need a little bit more time. It also has a tamper holder here, so you're not digging around for the tamper when you need it, and you can kind of keep it here with your Vitamix. It really helps keeping those thick recipes moving. Now, the Vitamix X series also comes with a 10-year full warranty for added peace of mind. The X5 here it's a premium price, but if you find it on a good sale, during the year they have them, or Vitamix's Black Friday deals, and you want to get it when it's on sale. Don't wait, because colors do sell out. Now, the X series is perfect if you're, juggling work and family life and everything, but you still want to have nourishing smoothies, soups, quick, wholesome snacks without a lot of fuss. Now, if you want my curated Vitamix picks and the best deals, go to blenderbabes.com/Vitamix deals to see all the current sales that are going on and exclusive offers that are only available to Blender Babes. Now, if you're ready to hit the reset button, you can also go to blenderbabes.com/smoothie challenge, and I'll send you all the details for my free 7-day smoothie program that'll really jumpstart your energy and weight loss without deprivation. I do not believe in restriction. So now I'm gonna make a dairy-free, gluten-free version of this pumpkin feta dip by Stoked at Home that you can use for the holidays that the whole family will love. As always, happy blending.